Once OrCam Read 3 is connected to the OrCam Online Magnifier, a live video stream from the device will appear on your screen. From here, you can control the device's operations. Using the on-screen interface, you can zoom in and out of any image or text. Change the contrast, rotate the image, and perform additional actions all in real time. Using the main button on the screen, you can capture any image. From this moment, the image is locked on your OrCam Online Magnifier. You can now remove the book. You can also save the image on your computer to review at another time if you wish. To initiate the text mode, click on the main button. Notice it's changed to say uppercase A and lowercase a. The text mode works in over 140 languages and enables you to change the contrast and even change the text color and background color to suit your specific needs and preferences.